All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
India is on course to achieve its defense export target of 50,000 crore rupees in the next 5 years, Defense Ministry officials said on Sunday, citing export data shared by the government for the first quarter of financial year 2024-25. The officials said, the data shared a day earlier shows India's defense exports stood at 6,915 crore rupees during April to June. This is 78% higher than the figure of 3,885 crore rupees for the corresponding period in the previous FY. As was the trend last year, the share of the public and private sectors stood at 60% and 40%, respectively. In April, the Defense Ministry announced that India's defense exports grew 32.5% during the 2023-24 fiscal and crossed the Rs 21,000 crore mark for the first time as the country remained focused on boosting the indigenous defense manufacturing ecosystem as well as military exports. The value of exports in FY 2023-34 was 32.5% more than that in the previous year when the figure was 15,920 crore rupees. Defense exports have grown 31 times in the last 10 years as compared to FY 2013-14, as previously reported by HT. India is currently exporting military hardware to around 85 countries, with around 100 local firms involved in the effort. The hardware includes missiles, artillery guns, rockets, armored vehicles, offshore patrol vessels, personal protective gear, a variety of radars, surveillance systems and ammunition. Military exports have risen sharply, and imports have dropped on the back of policy initiatives and reforms during the last 10 years, the government has maintained. In the coming weeks, the minister will chair review meetings for major defense production initiatives and flagship schemes designed to promote indigenous research and development. Rajnath Singh said, defense exports had touched a record 21,083 crore in financial year 2023-24. It was historic. Our target will be to export over 50,000 crore worth of defense equipment by 2028-2029. In April, the Defense Ministry announced that India's defense exports grew 32.5% during the 2023-24 fiscal and crossed the 21,000 crore mark for the first time as the country remained focused on boosting the indigenous defense manufacturing ecosystem as well as military exports. He also said that, 7-8 years ago, defense exports did not even touch 1,000 crore rupees. Today, it has touched 16,000 crore rupees. By 2028-29, annual defense production is expected to touch 3 lakh rupees crore and defense exports 50,000 crore rupees. The defense ministers informed that 6.21 lakh rupees crore was allocated to the defense budget for 2024-25. He said capital acquisition projects worth more than 4,35,000 crore rupees have been given in principal approval in the financial year 2023-24, and the government is now aiming for production of high-end systems like aero engines and gas turbines in India in the next 5 years. He also said that, when the ability and dedication of our youth is extraordinary and the intentions of the government are clear, the question of setting simple targets does not arise. We will soon embark on an exciting journey towards achieving extraordinary goals. Singh stated that while the government is supporting huge companies, it is also inviting young ignited minds to the defense sector through startups, terming it another step taken for long-term gains. He said in the coming 20 to 25 years, these companies, on the back of their innovations, will help give a new dimension to India's strong identity on the global stage. He referred to the recent meeting of the Defense Acquisition Council, in which effective steps were taken to promote startups. For procurement from startups, costing, payment terms, eligibility, etc. have been liberalized.